Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept the offers and negotiate the prices on Depop. So first of all, come here on Depop, then simply click on this inbox icon here on the top. Now over here, simply click on the option of offers, or you need to go to the selling offers and select the item for which you have received an offer. Now the offer can also look something like this. So inside the offers, you are going to see the active offers over here. So if you want to basically accept the offer, you just have to simply click on the option of accept. If you want a higher amount, then you need to click on the option of counter. Then when you select the option of counter, you need to simply enter the price that you will be willing to accept. If you don't like it, you can just simply click on the option of decline. If it doesn't work for you, you can also send an offer to the people who have liked your items. So you can open the listing and select the option of send offer. Then you can choose the interested buyers and enter your pricing. Now the buyer will have only 24 hours to purchase the item or send you a counter offer. So once you accept an offer or agree on a counter offer, the buyer can then purchase at the agreed price. Remember that shipping isn't included in the offer price. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.